Welcome to ThezNutz Garage. What we're going to be doing today in this video is we're going to be installing a catback exhaust system on this 2022 Ford F-150. All right, like I said in the intro, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be installing this Flashark dual exhaust system on this F-150. Now, this is a catback system, so it comes from the catalytic converter, then it goes into the muffler, then it wires out to 2, and then it comes out, I believe, the back of the truck. Now, there are 3 different types of exhaust systems for this particular truck. Now, go to flasharkracing.com, put in your vehicle, and it's going to tell you what exhaust is going to fit your particular application. Now, my truck is a 2.7. I think this exhaust system here does kind of cross over between the different engines, but go to their website, put in your truck, and make sure that you're buying the correct catback exhaust system. Now, with this particular system, there were 3 options. You could get where the exhaust came out on one side, 2 pipes out on one side, and then 2 pipes straight out the back. And you can get those tips in chrome or black. Now, I've gotten the black tips. I'm going to try those out first just so I can see, you know, I'm kind of hiding it a little bit, you know, kind of blend in with the lower part of the, I guess, the bumper back here, just kind of tuck it up underneath there. If I don't like it and I want some stainless steel tips, I'll just order some more from Flashark. Because if you go to Flashark and you use this promo code right here, you're going to save 15% off of your order. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this truck over here to this concrete pad. I'm just going to do it outside. It's a real pretty day today, so I'm just going to do it outside. And then what we'll do is we'll open up this box and see what all parts are in it. And then I'm going to remove the factory exhaust, and then I'll try to lay them out side by side so that way you can kind of see the common parts and then the parts that aren't so common with each other. So let's get the truck over here, and then we'll go start seeing what tools we need, and then we'll go through this box and see what's in it. Alrighty, now that sun is beaming in on me, so I'm gonna put my sunglasses on so I can see. Now, this is what all comes in this box. I got it laid up here on the tailgate. So first thing we kind of pull out is this long squiggly pipe. I'm assuming this is what goes over the rear differential or axle. Let's pull something else out. Another squiggly pipe. Looks like it's got some hooks for hanging it somewhere on the frame or wherever. Once again, you may see some random dogs in this video. If you would like 2 of them, come on out. Very friendly dogs. They'd love for you to be their new owner. They like to help a lot, I'll give them that. So here's the muffler. It's going to go into 1 pipe, and then it comes out as 2. It's also got a hanger built on it, so I think it actually has 2 or 3 hangers. Here's another squiggly pipe with a hanger on it. Now here's the exhaust tips. So you have a black tip like that right there. We have 2 of them. Like I said, it's supposed to just come kind of right out the back of the truck. Here's going to be our other exhaust tip right there. Here's some other kind of squiggly pipe, not very long. I'm thinking I ain't gonna find no directions. All right, got another short, somewhat squiggly pipe with a hanger on it. And then here's our long straight pipe. This is what's going to be goes into that cat. And from that cat, it's going to go straight out into our muffler. So, no hangers on this. It's pretty heavy. Pretty nice piece of, pretty nice right there. Vroom, vroom, vroom. And then we have our sack of goodies. A lot of goodies. A lot of rubber mounts for those hangers. Looks like we got some gray RTV sealant. I don't know what that's for just yet, but we'll just see what it goes to. I'm not real sure. But we're gonna check it out. We'll figure it out. And once again, I have no directions, so. Oh, I got stuff coming out on me. So let's, yeah, it's falling apart out of my hand. So let's get all this stuff over here to the side. And what I'll do is I'll crawl underneath this truck and I'm gonna start removing the factory exhaust system. So that way we can start laying this one out next to it and try to figure out how these pieces are pretty much gonna go. I'm thinking the muffler is gonna go in the same place right before the axle. So I think after that, we're basically just gonna have our turn downs for our exhaust and then how they wiggle around. So let's check it out. All right, we are underneath the truck. Now, first I'm gonna work my way back. So we have a hanger here. It's got two 10-inch or two 10-millimeter bolts right there. We're gonna remove those. And then if you look back here at the muffler, we have another 10-millimeter right there. And as we go towards the front of the muffler, towards the front of the truck, we're gonna have another hanger here. It's gonna be two 10s. And another hanger here will be two 10s. And then right here, I believe, is a 16. So I'm gonna go ahead and buzz these off to remove this all the way back and get that out from underneath the truck first. And then we'll come up here and remove this part of the exhaust all the way up to the cat. Alrighty, so this is going to be a problem, but I can work around it for now. But this exhaust system that they sent me, we were trying to just do a test and see if it would fit the 21s and up. But there's the difference right there. So you have, this is the Flashark pipe, and then this is the factory one there. And I guess that's maybe like the resonator right there. So what I'm gonna have to do is not install this piece right now, because it's not going to work. But what I can do is, since they're the same length, I can install the factory one back in there and then use this. And then what I may do is go to the muffler shop and have them create this piece here that's straight to get rid of this resonator. I think that's what that is. So for now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to install this back. So if you have a, if you have a 2019, a 20, maybe a 17, an 18, this kit's going to work, what's on their website. If you want to add this dual exhaust to your 21 and above, just keep this piece right here installed in your truck and then just add on to it from there. And the muffler will go from there on back. So that's what we're going to do for now, because we're not going to give up. We're going to go ahead and install this. I bet you with this other muffler over there, it's still going to sound a lot better than factory, until I can go back and have this maybe redone later on, get a new pipe made. So let's get this reinstalled and then we'll go and start installing all these parts. Alrighty, scratch everything I just said. So the exhaust on my truck is different size pipe than this pipe. So being that that's different, I can't use the new exhaust system with this old pipe because the pipe size is a different size right there. It's too big. That's too small. So this will not fit a 21 and up F-150. But what it will fit is that one. So we're going to go ahead and throw it on this truck real quick. And now he'll have dual exhaust. All right, since his truck isn't lifted, I went ahead and put it on these ramps. He's got it in emergency brake set. So that way, with it up off the ground, I can get this exhaust out from underneath it. Now this is a 2019 F-150 with a 2.7 in it. Same engine as my truck, just apparently the exhaust pipe is a different size. So what I'm going to do is put this back on time lapse. I'm going to get under here and just kind of, it's going to be the same mounting brackets and everything as my truck. It's just the pipe size is different. So I'm going to get underneath there, take all this out, and then we'll start installing this new stuff. All right, so let's look at these ends. Those are similar, so we know that's going to work. So it's coming back like this. We know we have our muffler right there, and we get to these over the axle parts of the pipe, and we just kind of got them laid out guessing how they're going to go. So as we start putting it together, we'll kind of it'll tell us by where these mounts go and things like that, and these pieces of pipe where they're supposed to come out. So just stay tuned here, because when I get it all in and basically the way it's supposed to go, I'll come back and show you how these pipes are actually pieced together underneath the truck. And of course, there's our bag of goodies right there. And we do have this right here, this gray RTV sealant. And where that's going to go is probably right there on that end piece. We're just going to put some around it, so that way when we put it together and screw it together, it'll have a good seal. But this is it says instant sealing, superior oil resistance, high temp up to 315 degrees or something like that. So we hope that this exhaust isn't no more than 315 degrees. But that's where it's going to go, is right there. So let's get this started, get this in, and then we'll get our muffler in, and then I'll come back and show you what we've done so far. And then from there on, I'll just kind of walk you through all of those pieces. All right, so we do have this pipe in. One thing right there, they did not include any bolts. You can't reuse the factory bolts with it. You actually need a bolt and a nut and some washers. I've got some in it. I'm gonna have to get some more. It's a little bit better bolts than that, but they do not include those bolts. So I will recommend that Flashark do send some sort of bolt that will fit that, and I'll take some pictures of it for them. So we got our clamp here. We got our hangers back over here. See if I can zoom out. Got our muffler, and then here we come out to our Y. And so far we've used all of our factory hangers, and this is where I'm gonna have to start figuring out these spaghetti pipes to see which way they go. And once I get them in here, I'll show you. But now we have to kind of go out the back of the truck and somewhere back there. So I'm gonna get to working on this, and I'll be right back to show you which pipes go where. All right, so we have these on here. And it's kind of a spaghetti noodle. So you'll come with these little brackets, these little mounts, and I've got them into this leaf spring hanger like that. It comes over, and then it's catching this little rubber boot that they send and holding this pipe up. Same thing here. This one has a little, I'll say a hanger, and then there's the one that come with it from Flashark. And it's kind of just going through a hole up there, and it's holding it in. You can see it runs around the tire and up over that rear axle. Then as we come over here, same thing. This is the hanger that came with the kit. This is the boot that came with the kit. And then you can see this is the hanger that comes on the pipe. So this is a short curved one here, and then it comes back around. It's another little short curved one. And then once again, it goes up and over the rear axle. And then of course, it hooks into the exhaust right there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back through here, tighten up all my bolts, double check everything, and then we'll do a cold start on it. Alrighty, so we got this exhaust put on this 2019 F-150. Now, we didn't get to put it on the 21 because there is a difference. And I was kind of, we were kind of thinking that when I ordered this exhaust for my truck. So don't hurt to try, especially when you have something that it'll fit sitting right next door, basically. So, as you can see, we have the black exhaust tips here and here. That really looks good on this black truck because you almost really can't see it. It kind of just blends right in there. So you heard me start my truck with the same engine, same exhaust pretty much. So you heard the factory sound. So let's start up this truck with the Flashark exhaust system. Go ahead and fire it up, Charlie. That sounds a lot better than what mine does. This is absolutely nothing. That sounds really good. Rev it up. Oh, well, smoke coming off of it right now. That's because it's been in shipping and all the stuff they put on the metals. As you drive the truck, all that stuff will burn off. But before, you can't even hear these trucks, and now it sounds 10 times better. At least it sounds like a little bit like a truck, you know. So that's going to be the end of the video. I'd like to thank Flashark once again for sponsoring today's video. If you want to get you one of these, check in the description. I'll put the direct link to this Flashark's to be able to purchase this exhaust. Also go to flasharkracing.com and don't forget to put in these. I think it's, well, I'm just going to put the promo code right here. I think it's Flash TNG 15 or something. I don't remember. But here's the promo code. Go check it out. Use that code when you check out, because that'll save you 15%. So that's going to be the end of the video. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, so we're going to take off. It got late, so we had to do this exhaust from the inside of the truck while it's dark. So you get to look at two dark shadows here. But we're going to get out here on the 4-lane highway. He's going to kind of get on it. You'll be able to hear the truck and the exhaust. It's not too loud inside the truck, but you can hear it, but it's not overwhelming. So let's go try this out as soon as traffic clears. It's not overwhelming, but you can hear it. Yeah, when you back out of it like that, I guess he's about 2,000 RPMs right now, so it's just kind of a low rumble. It's not as loud as the Mustang when I got their Flashark exhaust, but you got to remember the exhaust in the Mustang is right underneath the body, where this is out the back of the truck. So what we'll do next is I'm going to have him drive by me outside, and that way you can hear it as it goes by. So we'll be right back.